Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna start this video by sharing my shower routine. So my shower routine, I think it's very simple. Starting with my hair, I use Olaplex Go number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Bond Maintenance Conditioner. For my body, I use Salt and Stone Co. Santal and Vetiver. It smells so good. Oh my god, guys, I'm obsessed. I don't even know. Like, Yote L'Occitane Co. Shower Oil. This is so moisturizing. Like, you know, the feeling when you get out of the shower and you do moisture strip and I like taking hot showers. Yes, and this is really important to me. The scrub, I'm using this lavender and vanilla. I try to incorporate lavender in my shower routine, or even, you know, just candles and everything, because it's calming and I need that because I'm always stressed out. So yeah, right now, this is very random, but the theme of my bathroom is blue because I just need that positive, you know, refreshing energy. And guys, right now my skin is not doing too well, as you can see, and I'm going blue, but I'm obsessed with this polka dots shower curtain and the hand towel. Oh my god, I have this Ralph Lauren Co carpet. I'm gonna show you guys later. That's it. Literally, that's the only products that I use. But I stopped using like loofahs. This is loofah alternative. This is silicone, and you know, we don't want that bacteria and everything. Ani Yote ice, it's like body scrub. This one I got influenced by Jasmine Dukes, the Victoria's Secret model herself, and I saw one of her videos and she was mentioning this one, and this is a must-have. Like, you guys just buy it and let me know. Okay, yeah, these two are the stuffs that I use in the shower. Out of the shower, I always clean my ears. Now it's time to brush my teeth. Now I'm gonna do my skincare. Usually I wash my face in the shower, but today I'm shooting the video. So like I said before, my bathroom is turning blue, so is my skincare routine. Cause guys, my skin has been acting up because I started my night shift. For those of you who don't know, I'm a registered nurse and I'm doing my night shifts. My skin is not being very kind to me. So let's do our skincare. For my body, I'm gonna be using this lotion from Victoria's Secret. It smells like holiday. I'm gonna use this body mist. This is also from Victoria's Secret. So yeah. Journal time. So Abatani, meditate Korsong. We're gonna meditate together. I want you to meditate with me. Okay, pause this video and meditate. I'm just gonna put it in my bag because I meditate karta this loud. Guys, reels evde bose. So guys, I decided to eat momo. So I don't have momo banane pada yet. So I'm just boiling ke bansa pani ma. Okay. I'm gonna boil momo for like 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna have some yogurt. I'm gonna add some crunch. Enjoy. Yummy. Momo is ready. I cannot wait to eat. And of course, momo is incomplete without Coca-Cola. Okay guys, now I'm gonna give you guys my second room tour, because last time I had nothing. So okay guys, so this is what my room looks like right now. I still need to, I'm still working on it, but yeah. This bedside table was gifted to me by my friend. Shout out to Pratt's. Yep. And this vanity, oh my god, this vanity table, I got it from IKEA and I made it myself. And this chair is from Amazon. Nobody's asking, but I don't know why I'm telling. Okay. So if you guys remember, this was in my Brooklyn room Matthew, and I brought it here. I need to like redecorate your shelf. I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a little haul. So boy, when I lost my Selinko chasma, that's so dear to me. It's heartbreaking, when your favorite chasma goes out the head. That's why I decided to get myself a new one. Ta-da! So I got a new chasma. I'm keeping it here. I got my new sunnies. I'm obsessed. Are you feeling it? So this is from Loewe. I'm obsessed. So there you guys, life ma karibay. You lose stuffs so that you get new stuffs. So there's like room for new stuffs. Banana. So, but of course I'll be more alert, like I said before, aware and mindful. Adding to my collection my new Loewe sunglasses. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Please support, like, comment. Nobody comments on my video. Why? Why is nobody commenting? Guys, I need to do my nails. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.